Hey guys, Xavier, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to repair a laptop speakers. So I have a laptop, Asus A456UF, typically UF. Some people might have UA. I think maybe they're having the same speaker, but my one is UF. So the laptop speakers driver actually falling apart. One of the driver falling apart. So the sound of that sound output actually is breaking and not working anymore. So I grabbed one of this. This is the laptop speaker replacement. I get it from online. You guys maybe can find it online somewhere else. I will show you how to replace it. So but first thing I will show you what actually happens on my laptop speaker, how it sounds like. Okay, let me show you guys. Okay, so as you can see, this is a laptop Asus 456U. Actually it's a UF, the model. So let me show you what actually happens. I crank up the volume to 100.
New iPhones to bring sensor shifting stabilization for both the main sensor and the ultra wide, hence the size of the humps, which is actually the way the 12 Pro Max went last year. We're also supposed to be getting an upgraded telephoto as well as an LTPO display at the front. Now, for today's question, let us know. I mean, do you mind for your smartphone to get thicker instead of thinner? Because honestly, I'm okay.
So I show you how to replace it. Okay, so now I have removed all the screws around the laptop. But actually, there are two hidden screws within this laptop. Okay, one is this. Okay. There's a screw here. Another one is underneath this rubber fit. So when you try to maybe remove, you have to remove the rubber fit. You can use a hard plastic cut or maybe just your nail. When you remove it, you can see there's a screw here. So you need to remove these screws as well. So both of the screws. Okay, so just remove it. And then two. So two screws off. Then you can start to pop up the bottom cover. Okay, so now I remove the bottom cover. So this is the previous mode that I changed it. I actually changed the existing Wi-Fi card to AX200, Intel AX200 Wi-Fi 6 card. So that's why you can see there's a cable when I connect one of the antenna to the bottom. Because initially this laptop, the Wi-Fi card actually came with one antenna, only one. So one actually connected within the laptop, and then another one I think is on the back of the screen, and then another one I just connect at the bottom because I'm a bit lazy to remove everything. So first thing first, we remove the battery to avoid any short circuit or whatever thing. Just to play safe. Alright, so we pop up the battery, put it aside. So this is the laptop speaker that we are going to replace it. So as you can see, this is the normal condition of the speaker driver. And this is the broken speaker driver. Actually, I just removed. I already removed because it falling apart. I removed the membrane. So this driver is not working anymore. So now we are going to replace it with this. This is the working, I think it's I haven't tested it, but I think it's a working speaker. So let's see. So as you can see, when you're trying to remove the existing speaker, actually the speaker is attached with a double-sided tape. So you need to clean up all this residue in order to replace with the new one. The new one actually came with the double-sided tape as well. So once you clean up this, and then you just remove this protector, and then you just take it. That's it. So you try to go for it. Okay, now you can see all the residue already been removed, and now we are going to stick the new speaker onto the laptop. Alright, so align with the laptop, and then once you confirm that it is good to go, okay, let me connect the connector. Okay, once it is good to go, all the ports are good, all these ports are okay, the screw holes you can see. All good. Then go ahead and stick it. Be careful not to press on the driver because it's very delicate. Okay, so now just put back everything back to its original position. All this like circuit board. Some places you actually need to align it properly, otherwise it cannot get back to its original position. You can see this it's a bit hard, but try not to break it. Try not to break it. Okay, and then you just put back everything. Okay, so now I will put back everything, including the battery, and then we'll test the speakers. Okay, we come back to the same video, and let's try listen to the voice. Okay, I crank up the speaker to 100. So let's see.
Smartest design decisions at Apple started happening after Johnny Ive departed the company? Because yes, we have begun to hear the subtle design changes that will hit the iPhone 13 models, and I mean all of them. We have some more details on what we can expect from the iPad Mini Pro, which I'm very excited for, and new leaks give us more details on the Galaxy Z Fold 3's camera specifications, and well, they're good and bad. I'm Jaime Rivera, and thank you for your comments yesterday. I actually had so much to say about the topic.
So now you can see, guys, the speaker actually back to normal after changing to the new working
that I
unit.
decided to.
So with a little money, I think I spent around ringgit Malaysia, I think 60, around US dollar, I think less than 20, around 15. So with 15 US dollar, you can actually change the speaker and make it like a new speaker without like throwing your laptop or whatever things, or buy another set of speakers which might cost you more and also might cost you some that's real estate. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys have any question, just text me below, and then you like the video and just give me a thumbs up as usual. Do all the YouTube things. Subscribe the channel if you like it, so more videos come. I will just try my best to maintain it. That's it. Thank you guys. See you. Bye.